Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to iPhone 11 review on iOS 14.3 Beta 1. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? So as you all know, Apple released this firmware today in the morning and I am using it on my device from like past 6 to 7 hours. If you have watched my previous video of iPhone 7 review, you can watch that. If you do not even have iPhone 7, you can watch that because I have talked about a lot of things in that video. So if you would check that video out, it would be really helpful for me. Now let's talk about iPhone 11 performance on this firmware. So iOS 14.3 Beta 1 have been performing really well on this device, and to be honest, it looks a bit more better, to be honest, in real life performance. The fluidity and everything feels much more better than earlier for some reason. Right now it is performing much better than earlier. It looks like it is performing much better than earlier. I checked on Geekbench and all those scores were like almost normal. It was the same as previous, so the scores are not changed, but yeah, the real world performance looks a bit better and bit smoother on this firmware. Now talking about other things such as bugs, so the bugs, actually it's been like 7 to 8 hours, and in these 7 to 8 hours I have actually not experienced any bugs or any issues, but I will report that on my follow-up video, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now talking about new features, so I hate to say that, but there are actually no new things in this firmware. This is like major update for like bug fixes and all, and as I said on my expected video, we won't see iOS 14.3 coming with a wallpaper UI. Most probably we won't see it this year, so we have to give it to iOS 15. Most probably iOS 15 will bring the wallpaper UI, but then also fingers crossed, maybe we will see. Still some hope are left, because right now a lot of betas are left for the iOS 14.3, so I hope so we will see the wallpaper UI. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So iOS 14.3 on iPhone 11 have been actually really great for like it's been only 7 to 8 hours, and in these 7 to 8 hours my usage have been really good. And many people, for some strange reason, I have got a lot of comments on my videos and a lot of people asking me on my Twitter that if we will update to the new firmware or the iOS 14.3 or iOS 14.4, will it bring the 5G to iPhone 11? No, 5G won't be coming to any iPhone. It needs a specific modem. You don't need any firmware to get 5G on your device. You need a modem. That's why Apple was hyping that 5G again and again on that event. People made memes about that. So you need a specific modem on your phone to use 5G. So if you want 5G, I would say go for the iPhone 12 or 12 mini is a better option, but we will discuss it on some other video. So yeah, iPhone 11 on every firmware till now on iOS 14 have been actually really awesome, and I'm impressed that this device have been not getting any issues, because iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s users got a lot of issues. Even iPhone 10 are got some issues, but iPhone 11 is one of the only devices on this firmware on iOS 14 which didn't even experienced any issues. Yeah, we got some minor issues, but yeah, of course that those are really minor, and my battery health is also 100%, so you can't blame me that my review is bad. Lol. So this firmware actually freed around 1 GB from my devices. Most all devices gave me, when I updated it to this firmware, all devices gave me 1 GB back. So if you want a storage back, I would say go for the iOS 14.3 Beta 1. Now let's talk about final verdict. Should you update to this firmware or not on iPhone 11? Yes. This update is really awesome, and most probably the way it is looking, it is just so good. And for a beta, this is performing so good. I am really impressed. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. I do these type of things almost daily, and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.